Welcome, today in front of me REALME C30 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. By the same way, we can add here more applications to our folder. If you want to give a name to the folder, click here on the name once, and after that just enter the name, for example the apps. So now we can see that. If you want to move the folder here on the screen, just hold it and after that drag it, for example. That is why we can move the folders also between the screens, and we can create the new screens for the folder. Just hold and drag it here. And if you want to remove some applications from the folder, just hold it and drag it after that. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. And if you want to remove all of the applications in one click, if you want to remove the folder, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.